Hi guys, going to try and give you a little bit of a long-term feedback on our iron rock hydro bumps. We've been running these now for about 2 years. We've had them in the WJ. And they've been working absolutely fabulous. They give a great ride. They really take the harsh bumps out. You know, when you fall off a rock or you drop down a ledge or a little bit of a waterfall, or you hit that kind of washed out area on the trail and that surprise hit. And this is rough. This is rough. It was just cultivated. They really dampen that out really nice, so it gives you a much better ride than just even a factory bump stop or a hard poly bump stop. Really, really nice ride.
Oh yeah, we definitely got it right there.
But one kind of knock that you can get on them is we run a fairly hard tip, so they're super, super durable. But what ends up happening is it can give you just a little bit of a clicking noise when it does hit. So now we're coming out with the new soft tip that's going to give you a lot quieter ride and a lot better performance for you. So when you're taking it on the road, you won't hear it. So even out on the trail, you won't hear it, but normally there's a lot of other noises that you're hearing out on the trail, so that clicking won't be much of an issue for you. But when you're just driving in and out of your driveway, it's nice to have that a little bit quieter and you won't even notice it. So this is my rig here, and I daily drive this. And I've had them in there for about a year now. And once we switched over to the quiet tips, it made a world of difference. And basically, I can't even tell they're there. They really work great. But out on the trail, it really improved my ride and really helped me to enjoy some of these rough trails a lot better. And we've got these same kits for all platforms. We've got them for the XJ, the ZJ, TJ, WJ, JL, JT, even the Mojaves. And these are either going to be a weld-in kit or a bolt-in kit. And we've got them front and rear for the WJ and the TJ. Everything else we've got them for the fronts, and we're working on the rears for those. So we're trying to make it an easy install for you, as quick and easy as you can. It takes kind of the fabrication and figuring out of your hands, and we'll make it easy for you. But we also do sell these as a fabricator part, so that way you can just fabricate them into your tube buggy or your old CJ, whatever else you've got. They work really, really nice. They're also fully rebuildable, so they're a really nice product. We stock the rebuild kits here, so it's quick and it's easy, but you know, we haven't seen any need for them yet. They've been working really, really well for us. You've had them in here for about 2 years. What do you think about them in your rig?
Yeah, so I've had them for quite a while. I did have some of the prototype black tips on there just to see how quiet they would make it, but I am running a white tip over here just to see how long they last. I'm usually smashing this thing into rocks. You can see I got quite a few little scrapes and scars, but I usually don't mind the noise, but I can definitely tell a difference with the quieter tips.
Well, and you can see on those tips and the whole bump stop itself, you definitely beat it up. You're out there running in sand and rocks and mud, and it's taking a beating, but you look at the part, there's no scratches in the shaft, there's no damage to the tips. They look basically like brand new, just a little discolored now.
Yeah, they're holding up really well. Both the black and the white tips holding up for years of hard abuse.
Yeah, and really the only difference is going to be the black tips are just going to be a little quieter. You're really not going to see any durability drop. You're not going to see any performance difference. It's just going to be a little bit quieter for your rig, which, you know, for a daily driver gives you a little bit better, you know, more pleasant experience.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you the rear of the WJ. We've got this bracket that it's a weld-on part, but it's going to be one that you're going to be able to get that, make it really easy for the install. You know, this one's kind of in combination with our frame stiffeners and as well as our coil relocation bracket kit. So that way we could move it back and get it nice and straight and vertical. And that way our bump stop is hitting really smooth and straight right onto the axle, so we don't have any misalignment there. Works really, really nice, and our coil spring stays nice and straight. But that really makes those bump stops work even better and makes that kit really easy to install. So this is kind of going to show you what's going to be included in your kit. You're going to get the bump stops. You're going to kind of be a universal fabricator type of a bracket, the jam nuts to lock it all in place. And starting fall of 2025, you're going to get the white tips as well as the black tips. Those will all be in the box ready to go for you. So you can check it out, this out, and all of our other products at ironrackoffroad.com. So check it out and see you guys on the trail.